So the other day I realized all the scissors that I own are dull. And I was just about to buy new scissors when I realized, like, why don't I just get a scissor sharpener? So that's what we're going to be looking at today, folks. I went on Amazon and purchased this. This is called the Sharpal. And not only does it sharpen scissors, hard to say that word, but it also sharpens knives as well. So it's kind of like a two-in-one device, but even the serrated knives you can sharpen with this little device. But is it any good? Let's find out. So I'm going to just quickly take it out of the box. And what I really like about this is that it is super small and portable. It doesn't take much space in your kitchen. When you need it, you can pull it out and you're ready to go. It does have that little flap because on the bottom, it's kind of got like a little suction cup that allows it to stick onto any kind of a surface. So I'm taking that plastic off. It's pretty much ready to go. Seems self-explanatory. So I was like, perfect. I'm going to go ahead and install this right on my cutting board and sharpen knives and scissors before. But look what happens. I do that and it comes off. Now I put it on my countertop, which kind of has like a gloss to it. And sure enough, I could just feel that it is now suctioned right to that. It gives you a little explainer video showing you how you want to sharpen the knives. So it's just that continuous motion that you have to do. But you notice that those two sides you can do for both the knives. There's that third side for the scissors, even serrated knives. Look at that. You can even sharpen that. So pretty much all the kitchen knives that you have, you're going to be able to sharpen. And here's how you sharpen scissors. You basically put that one side on and then give it a rub just like that in one direction. Now, I tried this out with my scissors. Unfortunately, the scissors that I have are kind of small, so I feel like I wasn't getting all of it. But the important thing is to just get the right angle. Maybe watch their instructional video before you do it, and then you're going to be off to the races. But they are now sharp, so I can guarantee you from just from myself and using it that this is a great little kind of tool, kitchen tool, I guess you could call it, to sharpen all your knives and even sharpen scissors. So if you're interested, I have a link in the description below. It's not that much. I think it costs like 20, maybe 25 bucks, but it is a great tool. And hey, makes a great gift, especially if you know somebody who uses dull knives, because believe it or not, dull knives are dangerous knives. A sharp knife is safer because you're less likely to cut yourself because it's just a nice smooth movement. So always sharpen your knives before you use it, and occasionally sharpen your scissors too. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe. I'll see you again in the next video.